video tutorial, we will see how to print rectangle number triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with space characters. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 8, 0, 2, 6, 4, and 8. These space characters are appended with number characters. These number characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Here, in this pattern, along with every number, a space character is appended. So let's type code to execute this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations, and at the end of every iteration we are going to increase I value by 1. So our I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here at the end of 5th iteration I value will become 5. 5 less than 5 condition is false and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use one more variable j. J is equal to 0 and nested while j minus 1 less than 4 minus I. And at the end of nested while, we are going to increase j value by 1. So let's print the space characters. Print. We are going to combine two space characters here, multiply by I. This is going to print 0 space in the first line, then 2, then 4, then 6 and 8 spaces. Here, along with space character, number characters are there in the same line. To print the number characters in the same line, we are going to use AND parameter without any value. So let's print the number characters. Print 5 plus I plus j is going to print the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 8, 9 and 9. And we are going to separate those space characters with a single space character. After printing space character and number character in the same line, we want to begin from the next line. For that, we are going to use an empty print method outside this nested while loop. So let's run pytriangle.py file in the terminal. This is our expected triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number left angle triangle pattern.